Ready to give your hair the ultimate growth boost? Our African Black Soap Shampoo, infused with powerful herbs and essential oils, is your new go-to for stronger, healthier hair. Let's create this magical blend that will leave your hair feeling revitalized and flourishing. Welcome back, Sekhmet's children, my beautiful people, to Sekhmets Magickal Spiritual DIYs. Today we're diving into the creation of a transformative African Black Soap Shampoo, specifically designed to supercharge your hair growth and scalp health. With the perfect blend of potent herbs, nourishing oils, and invigorating essential oils, this shampoo will become a staple in your hair care routine. Let's walk through each ingredient and its powerful benefits before we get started. We are cutting up 6 ounces of African Black Soap. African Black Soap cleanses the scalp and hair while providing essential nutrients that promote hair growth and soothe the scalp. Using distilled water in this African Black Soap Shampoo, it ensures purity, prevents mineral buildup on your hair, and enhances the blend of ingredients for a smoother, more effective shampoo. Now it's time to put the chunks in. So now what I need to do, I need to dissolve these chunks of African soap. And so we will be back with the herbs and the oils. We will be using 2 tablespoons of Bhringraj. Bhringraj is the king of herbs for hair. It is known for its ability to promote hair growth, prevent hair loss, and nourish the scalp. We will be using 1 tablespoon of Saw Palmetto. Saw Palmetto helps block DHT, a hormone that can cause hair loss, thus supporting healthy hair growth. 1 tablespoon of Barbed Skullcap. It strengthens hair follicles, prevents hair thinning, and supports overall scalp health. These 3 powerful herbs are my hair growth tea solution. And so I am going to prepare them by steeping them for 30 minutes. The African Black Soap has dissolved in the distilled water, so I am straining it to catch the particles left behind. See that? Now it's time for us to add our other ingredients that makes this best African Black Soap Shampoo for hair growth very moisturizing. So we are going to put our hair growth tea solution in next, which we had steeped for 30 minutes. Stir very well to make sure everything gets incorporated. Now it's time for 1/2 cup of flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel provides moisture, adds shine, and enhances the hair's natural curl pattern while promoting scalp health. 1 tablespoon of glycerin. It is a humectant that draws moisture into the hair, keeping it hydrated and soft. 1 tablespoon of red palm oil. rich in vitamin E and antioxidants. It nourishes the scalp, strengthens hair, and adds shine. And my hands are clean. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil moisturizes the hair and scalp, reduces protein loss, and prevents hair breakage. While on low heat, I am stirring the African Black Soap solution with all of our herbs and oils until it melts. Now it is ready. It's at 120 degrees. It's too high to add the essential oils. It needs to be at 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's now 100 degrees. It's time to add our essential oils. I will be repurposing an application bottle I used for my African Black Soap Shampoo that I ran out of. And so now I'm pouring an amount into a measuring cup so that it can be easy to pour into the application bottle. But we are going to be putting in our essential oils. Peppermint essential oil stimulates the scalp, increases blood circulation, and promotes hair growth. I will be using 10 drops or more of each of these essential oils. You can use more or less, it's up to you. Clove essential oil strengthens hair, reduces hair fall, and enhances scalp health with its antifungal properties. Rosemary essential oil improves circulation to the scalp, promotes hair growth, and prevents premature graying. Tea tree essential oil cleanses the scalp, prevents dandruff, and unclogs hair follicles to encourage growth. It's time to bottle up. It's time to test the lather consistency. As you can see, I only used a little bit without water, and now I'm going to go to the sink to get some. And look how much that little bit lathers up. So your hair will be clean, moisturized, and this African Black Soap Shampoo will help you to grow your hair. If you enjoy creating this magical shampoo with me today, don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how it works for you, or if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to Sekhmets Magickal Spiritual DIYs for more powerful and transformative DIY recipes. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, share it with them. Together, we can spread the magic far and wide. Until next time, stay blessed and keep the magic alive.